Idinitalye ng dalawang miyembro ng Ateneo Men's Basketball Team, sina Sam Reyes at Kiefer Alas, yung nangyari sa team building sa Aurora na nauwi sa pagkalunod ng kanilang teammates na sina Rene Batermonia at Divine Adili at halos ikamatay rin daw nila. Bagamat nakaligtas sa trahedya, hindi na iwasang maging emosyonal ng dalawa dahil hindi naman daw sila nakaligtas sa natatanggap ngayong kritisismo mula sa publiko. Nakatutok si Ivan Mayrina.
Because I really don't know how to swim po. Parang nag-give up na po ako nun.
Kung di po ako umalis dito, mamamatay na din po ako. Kasi po, ang dami na din po ako nainom na tubig.
Tila halos ikamatay rin na Sam Reyes at Kiefer Alas ang kanilang team building sa Dipakula, Aurora. Batay sa kwento nila sa podcast na Let's Talk with Pio Ontiveros. Bagoan nila ang trahedyang sinapit ni Rene Batermonia at Divine Adili, ay nakapila ang buong team sa mababaw na bahagi ng dagat at sinusundan ng galaw ng kanilang coach. Pero wala pa isang minuto, humampas na mga along mas mataas sa kanila.
Nung first wave po talaga kasi, we were riding the wave and we didn't realize na hinahatak na po kami.
Third wave po. Like,
Yeah.
that's when everyone started screaming na po.
Oh, okay. Why?
Because we couldn't reach the water po.
The ground.
Yeah, the ground.
Parang all of us were panicking na po and we didn't know what to do. Kumbaga po, parang nag-scatter po kami in the water. Doon na po ako na parang napaisip na di na ata ako makakalabas dito. Na sobrang pagod na po ako. Tapos, nandun pa rin po ako. Like, doon na po ako parang napaisip na mag-give up po. Kasi wala pong nangyayari talaga.
I was like going down and down. Like I just
down.
parang
Okay.
I was like gonna accept na mawala na po ako. Then after more seconds went by, I felt my feet touch the sand. I was like, there's like a glimpse of hope talaga. So I jumped po and gasped for air.
Pero hindi pinalad sina Adili at Batermonia.
Okay. And then, did anybody see Rene?
Uh,
The last.
Last time I saw him po, nung we were still like having fun po. Nung
Okay.
Yes po. Tapos parang
nawala
Yeah.
na po siya sa tingin nung parang
line.
nagpapanik na po kami.
Si EJ kapihean nila ang nakita nilang sumasagip ng mga tao noon. Unang natagpuan si Batermonia kaysa kay Adili.
When I saw them po, I started running to the water. And then JB was first to
Jared Bahay.
Yeah,
Jared
Then
was first to.
Yeah.
to help Rene po.
Sa isang punto, sinipr pa si Rene at Divine. Kinumpirma rin ni Alas ang nabanggit sa isang report na pinatigil ito ng responder.
They were doing CPR for a bit. Then
They tried CPR for both Rene and Divine on the
yung
beach.
kay
no?
Rene po, si Sir Jeric,
yeah, RPD
And then,
po. Tapos pinastop po yata
pinastop po
nung
ng medic para po ilagay sa stretcher and then to rush to the ambulance po.
Pero walang pulse. I mean, even.
I'm pretty sure they rushed him lang po sa
The
ambulance.
only
Si Adili naman, may pulso pa umano ng matagpuan pero hindi sa ambulansya isinakay.
one I heard that had pulse po was Divine po.
On the beach, he had a pulse?
Yes po.
And then they put him in the ambulance and brought him to the
It wasn't an ambulance.
Divine
it
po,
was
police car.
police vehicle.
Yes
Yeah
po.
po.
Emosyonal sina Sam at Kiefer na bagaman nakaligtas sa trahedya ay hindi naman nakaligtas sa kritisismo ng publiko.
Sobrang sakit po kasi na parang nabuhay nga po kami pero parang pinapatay po kami. I feel guilt lang po kasi
Guilt? Why?
Rene was beside me and parang I felt na I could have done more na para di siya malunod. So, it was eating me alive na
It's like going through 2 deaths po.
Pinabulaanan din ng dalawa ang ilang anilay maling impormasyon.
Any weights,
No
nothing.
Po. Nothing po.
Was it initiation rites?
No po. Not at all.
Not at all.
I don't know. It just hurts how people, perceive it that way.
Gayunman palagay nila, may pagkukulang pa rin para masigurong kanilang kaligtasan.
For me po, because when I was almost drowning po, I was just alone. So, for me, parang kulang po yung safety na...
Yes, but that's where we felt na medyo
Ivan Mayrina, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.